This home is 2,200 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, listed at $850,000. It's been on the market for about 30 days, and that's a really surprising price to not sell here in Shoreline.
We're in a weird market right now. I mean, I think people are concerned about interest rates. Homes are sitting a little longer. I wouldn't say that prices are necessarily going down, but homes are sitting longer to get that price, which scares, you know, sellers.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Thank you. Beautiful home.
Oh, thank you. Come on in.
It scares everybody. I think it's the unknown, and when it's unknown, people are scared to make a move.
Yeah. This is just such a nice room. You've got the cozy factor. It's a big room for a living space. I love it.
Yep.
All original hardwoods, and the owners before us tried to redo the... Or there was a murder that took place. We're not quite sure. We're taking bets on it.
For my disclosure purposes, I'm gonna go with refinish the floors.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
Thank you, Garrett.
That won't be on the listing.
That will not be on the listing. Looks like a pretty hefty dining space.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever thought of opening up to the kitchen?
Oh, absolutely. The
Yeah.
open floor plan has always been kind of on our minds,
Yeah.
just not in our budget.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this kitchen. Wow. So step back in time here.
Wow.
I gotta say, I don't hate it.
It's solid.
It works. I like it, what you guys have added.
We did add that when we moved in.
Cool.
Used the plastic style instead of the real tin, which doesn't do any favors for the stove when you get a pan next to it.
When you have a hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very retro.
Yes, very retro. And in our market, especially today, we really have to put our house out there to the masses, not a select buyer.
Yeah.
Right, that makes sense. So this is our main.
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Really large room, king-size bed, you have nightstands, dresser.
I mean, for everything you have in here, it still feels really, like, large, good size.
Bathroom.
Or closet.
Bathroom.
Oh, bathroom. Nice, that's a bonus. It's small, but
It is small, but it's nice to have one.
The one time I showered in it, I just put soap all over the walls and did this.
I was gonna say, you did this.
This is the downstairs living space.
oh, wow.
Oh, wow, this is huge.
Nice.
This is the cat remodeling chunk of our tour.
Oh.
So we were on vacation, came back, and there was a huge, looked like an upside down volcano of ceiling tiles.
Oh.
And we realized that cat came from the storage room above the ceiling, and once he could get into different bays, he just slowly chipped away at removing the ceiling tiles for us.
Oh my gosh. Maybe cats are the new demo crew.
Yeah, but I would not welcome that into my house.
Lyndsay, that's not positive. Get it? Get it?
Yes, I get it.
Like
Oh my gosh.
a cat?
We already bought another home, so we're kind of in a rush. How
Yeah.
long do you think it'll take for this renovation?
Yeah, that's a great question. I would say, you know, typically 6 weeks.
So I know that's a ton to think about. And so you guys talk it over and then figure out if we want to move forward to the next step.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Thanks.
Bye.
Guys. Jeanna and Garrett have a big decision to make.
We're bringing them to a comp house that hasn't been renovated, but it's been professionally staged and it's already sold.
So let's check it out.
That would be the quickest thing for them if they just wanted to sell and get on with their new lives in the East Coast. I would love to hear you guys' overall thoughts on the house.
It's a pretty nice space, and you know, if we were to just have you guys stage it and speed up the selling process, gives us an idea that that's an option.
Yeah, absolutely. This house was listed at $800,000. It actually sold at $787,000.
Wow.
So it was on the market for 14 days and it sold below list price. That is not what we would want for you guys, but it is absolutely an option that we can explore. We can stage it and sell it today, but there is the other option of us investing and getting you guys that top dollar. It does take more time, and so that is extra time that you have on that mortgage. So there's 2 ways that we could go, and neither way is wrong. It's just really, which way do you guys feel is the best choice right now?
You know, even though there's a time constraint with the 2 mortgages, you know, we kind of feel we want to get top dollar for the house.
So you're saying option 2?
Option 2.
Yes! Oh my gosh, you have no idea how excited she is.
Out front, we'd paint the trim of the house and refresh or replace the garage doors and the front door to really update the curb appeal. In your kitchen, we'd want to open up that wall to the dining room and add all new higher-end materials, including new floors. And in the main bath, take room from the closet on the other side to make a bigger, more usable shower.
But in order for us to be able to do all of this, we would need to invest about $100,000. But once we do that, we feel that we can hit just shy of $1 million.
Sounds great.
So we'll get back our $100,000 investment, and that would still leave $50,000 for us to split 25,000, 25,000. So what do you think?
Yes.
I think we're in.
Okay.
Awesome.
If you would have picked option 1, I didn't want to be in the room.
There might have been a murder scene right here.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
All right.
I can't wait to see what Owen has underway.
Our renovation team is actually led by Owen, one of our buddies. He's actually been working on our projects for about 5 years now. So it was a no-brainer when we thought to bring this in-house. He was our first choice, and we're just lucky to have him.
Yeah. Owen!
Holy moly! Hey,
Wow, this already looks substantially bigger.
More room for activities.
yeah.
More room for dancing.
Always.
Esau is actually Owen's dog, and he comes everywhere with Owen. Esau we do refer to as our project manager.
Because he's got paws.
Ooh, cutting board. I just saw this.
Ooh, dibs.
Second dibs. That's not fair.
Fine.
Thank you. Awesome. I'm stoked.
Sweet.
Okay. Shoreline is known for being a coastal community right outside the city. Families can go to parks, riding, and walking trails, and we're gonna bring that organic, modern lifestyle right inside the house.
Wow. Okay,
Wow.
wait, why would we build a wall back that we took out?
We're just giving it a little bit more space so that the cabinet makes sense here.
Oh, okay.
And we can fit a good size countertop.
Okay.
All right, here's our material.
Whoa, is that the actual size of the tile?
Yes.
We've never been able to use a tile that large. I
'Cause
love that.
It's very organic, modern.
Very
because
modern.
it's so big.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Doesn't that look awesome?
So cool.
So this is actually going to be our main backsplash, playing off that organic feel with the stone material and still modern with the, smaller hexagon and terrazzo.
And we're doing the peninsula coming out this way?
Yes.
The buyer for this house is probably gonna be somebody moving from Seattle.
Yeah.
They're gonna be looking for that high-end material or at least something custom.
Things like the 2 backsplashes in the kitchen.
Exactly.
We gotta carry it throughout the home. And then we can have this tile kind of break up this cooking area above the stove.
Cool.
Perfect.
So in the main bathroom here, my vision is to carry a lot of the style that we have in the kitchen
Okay.
through into here.
Perfect.
So we did increase our shower size.
Yeah. It used to be just 3x3, so just literally in this corner.
Yeah.
And now we've accessed space from the closet, and
Yeah.
we've gotten a full. It's 52 inches wide.
Literally, this.
Don't go over there.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
this was my car wash.
Lyndsay, please don't fall through that. You're one of the most,
Accident prone? Get over here.
fragile people I know.
All right, all right,
Okay,
all
okay.
right.
So much better. Let's go.
All right.
Let's see it.
Like I said, I'm super excited to show you guys my door color. We need eye-catching, okay?
Is it yellow?
Wait. Calm down.
Okay, I'm just asking.
Miguel, she's very judgy.
Surprise!
Yeah, it's a surprise.
Yes,
Okay.
Do you like surprises?
I love surprise.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, I hate
Okay.
surprises.
See,
She's
she's
surprises.
no fun. Boop-a-da-doo.
See?
What is that? Surprise!
Yes.
It's a perfect way to make a standard door a modern door. It is way too much. You don't even know until I put it on. Okay, here we go. Oh my God.
I like that. No.
No,
Why?
it's too bright. But when you back up, you gotta think, coming up the street, everything's gonna be trimmed out black. This is going to pop. You
Me too.
agree?
Yes.
2 against 1.
Leslie?
No!
Have you ever heard of those crazy situations where people accidentally walk into the wrong home? That will not happen at this house.
No.
Nobody's gonna accidentally walk through this front door. All right, I can't be a part of this.
This is gonna be awesome. Downstairs, we decided to paint the exposed ceiling black to give it a modern industrial vibe. And to make the basement moody, hip, and modern, we went with a darker floor.
Place them here, please, sir.
Right here? Right there?
Yes.
So downstairs in the basement, I'm really hoping JT can help us today. Put up some wood slats that will really help lighten the room, also give it more of that modern touch, but also organic.
Wow, this looks awesome. I brought more wood.
Oh, yay.
Oh my gosh, the wood slats that Justin got
They
up
look
already
so
look
good.
great. But I have kind of that phase 2, I'm thinking.
If you put the word phase before it,
I mean, it makes
what's
sense.
the harm? If you thought putting the wood this way was fun, just wait for phase 2.
Oh, Lord.
I'm pretty sure he'll be on board once he understands the idea.
I mean, does he have a choice?
Oh yeah, no.
My vision is one piece of wood, woo, careful, would go, let's say, here.
Okay.
Then another piece here. It's just to kind of give the ceiling that, like, you know, intentionally unfinished, finished look.
Okay.
So now add some additional slats in different lengths to kind of give it more of that geometric, in an organic
Like,
way, but modern.
Perfect. And it is an upsell.
Yeah, I like this a lot, guys. I'm happy phase 2 happened.
Me too.
Wonder if there's gonna be a phase 3.
Ooh,
Probably.
kind of hope not.
I'm so excited to see what they think.
Me too.
That first impression.
Yep.
The door.
I know, makes a huge difference.
Yeah. I'm a little nervous for this one. This one's a big investment for us. We have a lot of money in this project.
Yeah, one of our biggest investments. I hear a car.
Oh, wow. New garage doors?
Yeah, look at that. Maybe they work.
Hi, guys.
Hi, you guys.
Hey,
Welcome back.
good to be back. Look at this place. Are they new doors, or did you just put stuff over top of them to make them look new?
doors.
No, they're brand
Oh,
new
they're
doors.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Very cool. The whole outside is incredible.
So all we did was we left your original paint because we love the blue.
Okay.
But did new trim.
I can't believe it's actually the same color that it was before. The black really makes it pop.
And then obviously a new front door, which Lyndsay really wanted that pop
I did.
of
I
color.
love it.
Whoa! Super cool.
So we wanted to put something here so it was really utilizing this space.
It's so flexible. You can pick any one of those.
Exactly.
So cool.
Yeah. All right, let's go check out your living room. All right. And then the living room.
Awesome. Look at this. Nice and airy. Redone floors.
Yes.
All floors.
And it looks so big with the way that you staged it.
So the style I chose for your house is organic modern. Using more of the curved edges for
like
our
that.
furniture with the organic flow, and then the hard edges on the fireplace being more of the modern, so blending the two together.
Dining room and kitchen?
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay, awesome. Let's go.
It's so open.
Yes.
No wall.
No.
We did keep this one wall because I wanted to add more cabinets and countertop space.
Oh my gosh. I love
Incredible.
the fixtures.
Owen built us this shelf. We tried to keep that organic, but you know, a little bit of modern with the hexagon, the black terrazzo.
Thought about doing this so much and to see it actually done.
Yeah.
I know,
Yeah.
it's wild.
Wow.
Mixing the different materials, the large format on the ground.
There's no melting plastic behind the stove, which is
Nope.
wonderful.
Come on in.
Oh, it's so bright.
Our goal in here was I want someone to walk in and just feel like,
Oh, I think they will.
so do you guys want to see the bathroom?
Of course.
Okay. All right. After you.
Oh, wow. A real shower.
Oh,
This.
you fit a full shower in here.
We did.
Oh my gosh, this is actually like usable space now.
Is that the backsplash? The same tile
Yes.
as the backsplash?
That is the backsplash underneath the hood in the kitchen.
I loved how you took elements from the kitchen and used them in the bathroom to bring everything together.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, this is super cool.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
Yes,
That's
you
so
kept it
cool.
open.
Who thought a cat could inspire a design?
Oh my gosh, there's just so much to look at. The floor
Yep.
looks amazing. Love that wallpaper over there.
Seeing it finished is incredible, and the
Yeah.
ceiling, it just makes it feel open and bigger than it would be if you just put sheetrock up.
Yep.
It doesn't feel like a basement.
And I think that the buyers coming in will be like, oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's awesome.